This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel See the World Through Tanvir Kazmi. Today I want to complain about the city where I live and also some people around Memphis, Tennessee, USA. And also I see some of the infrastructure of countries is poorly being maintained now. In 1990s, this country flourished with beautiful roads, carpeting, flowers, uh, beautiful trees. You go to highway, I used to drive hours, and I feel very proud to see the quality work of maintenance department people, the government. But suddenly after 911 or COVID, people lost interest, and especially of the media and social media, addiction, and also television, episodes of Netflix series and this series, that has made us lazy and maybe corrupt. Because when a person is driving on the road, there's a lot of patches in giving that person problem and jug and destroy our car, newly car built, and give problem to their parts. That is inefficient states, governments, and local governments. They should take seriously action on the people who are not maintaining the infrastructure. Trees, they're not cutting proper trees. The road patching are growing. They're not building new roads. They're not widening the structure. A lot of accidents are happening. The trees are not being cut, and branching are very dangerously hanging. It can fall on anybody and kill somebody's child. They're not doing enough. They're very slippery area. They can small mistake can take you into the deep area. They're not building a safe walls. They're not putting flowers trees or beautiful trees or plants. They're not doing enough job. I've not seen except one or two cars or maintaining. They're not putting enough workforce to maintain their infrastructure, the roads, the quality, everything. So and they're not allowing the resident to uh, make new houses or rebuild their houses which are over 25 years old, 40 years old houses. They need rebuilt properly. State has to help. State has to help to improve the quality life of the residents. Let's come out of your laziness. Let's come out of put people, they're sitting home. You have millions of people have high degrees. Put them into work, give them the best machineries, and make everybody feel they're living in the best country. Let's come back to the quality life again. United States, let's change. City governments do work. Take care. Talk to you next time. Bye.